Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're continuing on Chapter 5, Part C. I love him, so can you. As mentioned, when the verse discusses V'ahavta l'recha kamocha, you shall love your fellow as yourself, it concludes with the words Ani Hashem, I am Hashem. There are many explanations for why this is so. The Chafetz Chaim explains the beginning of that verse states, you shall not take revenge, and you shall not bear a grudge against the members of your people. The verse then concludes, you shall love your fellow as yourself. A person might wonder, how can he possibly fulfill this command? He cannot have a complaint against somebody who wronged him? The answer is Ani Hashem. What does that mean? Hashem is saying, I am Hashem and I love the Jewish people. So too, you should love your fellow as I love him. Part D. Everyone is special. I once saw a poster that read, I know I'm somebody, cause God don't make no junk. It may sound humorous, but the lesson is timeless. If Hashem created someone, then that person obviously has a mission in this world, thereby fulfilling the will of Hashem. Even if someone doesn't look like you, or seems to be on a lower level, he was created by Hashem, and God don't make no junk. There is a well-known incident related by the Chazon Ish. A man who had to visit the Gaon brought his child with special needs. When they entered the room, the Chazon Ish rose to his feet. The people around him were astonished. Why was the Chazon Ish standing up for them? The Chazon Ish explained that he was standing up for the soul of the child. He told them that the power of the soul of a special child who came into this world just to fix a few things. He said that this soul is without flaws, and therefore it is a great honor to stand up for him. If we look at everybody as a special Tzelem Elokim, a soul created by Hashem, we would love them and treat them accordingly. Now we're finished with the fifth chapter, and tomorrow we'll begin the sixth one. Thank you.